I have a Maytag MDB8959SFZ4 dishwasher, and the 4-spot welds on the slides on both sides of the top rack have broken. Really bad idea to put steel spot welds in a dishwasher where they can corrode, but both have broken free from the slides on the side of the rack. I need to know how to replace them both.
Hello, my name is Can Assist today.
Thanks for the quick reply and the great part info. I'm trying to get Maytag to do the repair, but I'm very capable of doing it if they won't. Thanks again for the help.
They should pay for it because it is an upgrade part. The originals were not very good. Good luck, Randy.
Yup. Calling them tomorrow. I ordered a set of the ones you recommended just in case they don't. I'll let you know how it's going once everything is installed.
Alright, if any problems let me know.
Thanks.
GL.
Hi Randy, so can you point me to any videos on how to attach the new slides to the rack? I'm not sure how they're supposed to work and there are no instructions in the box. Any help would be appreciated. Belay my last. I figured it out. Everything went back together easily. 4 bolts and push the unit back under the counter. Nice. Thanks for all the help.
No problem, sorry I was occupied most of the day today.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.